Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you 4 big mistakes people make investing in the stock market. But first, if you don't know what my channel is about, it's all about investing and building dividend income and basically just dividend income in general and passive income. So if you're interested in any of those areas, make sure to subscribe. I would also like to mention I have a portfolio that I've been building over the course of this YouTube channel. So if you want to follow this portfolio that I've been building and showing you guys the moves that I make and everything about that portfolio, make sure to subscribe so you guys can follow along with that. The first mistake people make when investing in the stock market is they get in and they get out. What that means is whenever they buy a stock, and sometimes I found myself doing this in the beginning stages, once I made a little bit of money, I'd want to sell that and then cash out and then move my money somewhere else. But if you go into investing in the stock market, you're not going to get anywhere if you don't invest long term. And here's what I mean by that. The stock market rises 8% average every year. So if you're getting in and out, yes, you're riding the wave, but it's better for you to just leave your money there long term in a good dividend stock that puts money back into your pocket, so you're not having to pull money out, watch how much you're up, manage how much you're down, really watch it. It eliminates the emotional side if you don't try to do the quick flips. It eliminates the emotional tie to that stock. So that's why that's a big no-no and you should not do that. Number 2, hype stocks. This has burned me numerous times and I finally drew the line. Hype stocks are stocks that get pumped up by a bunch of people that really, when you look into the business, when you look into the stock, it's not a good buy. But a lot of people that have channels push it, and therefore you think it's a good buy. They get a bunch of people that don't know what they're doing to invest in it. They cash out when they know it's not going to go up anymore, and then they leave a bunch of people that follow them high and dry. Now this, if you are following the personal portfolio that I've been building with this channel, you know that NAT stock was one of those stocks that I highly regret investing in. It was a bad buy, to say the least. And it was just not good. It wasn't even a good company. There was better ones out there, but I was blindly following the pack and it burned me. Now, number 3 goes hand in hand into hype stocks. It is lack of research. If you don't research the company's everything about the company before you invest, you need to know how much they're making, how much assets they have, how much debt, how much they have to pay to their investors, how much is the dividend if they even have one, and looking at their 52-week high price and their 52-week low price, engaging where they're at. Looking at the 5-year history of the stock price and the 1 year really helps. I know in the times that we are in right now, the 1 year stock price is a little skewed by a huge dip because of current events. But if you look at the 5-year, you should get a good projection of how that stock ranges over time. Number 4, this one is huge. It's cutting losses. Now, tons of people, as soon as they start losing money on a stock, they sell out of it because they're freaking out. They're making an emotional purchase to sell out of their position. Now, this is a huge mistake because most of the time, if you just leave your money in a stock for just a little bit longer, the stock comes back up. And with the stock market averaging 8% each year going up, you see that you end up getting burned if you look in the short term and make those emotional decisions to sell. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content.